At a monastery school in Mandalay, Myanmar, children sat neatly in rows, eagerly awaiting Tzu Chi volunteers. Since the March 28 earthquake, the community has been rebuilding, and volunteers opened the relief effort with gentle words. The volunteers also encouraged everyone to speak kind words, think good thoughts, and do good deeds. Another parent was also moved, and the volunteers' warmth gave her the courage to face her difficulties. Teachers also shared their appreciation. Each teacher and student received 24 kilos of rice, a liter of oil, and stationery, support that helps children study with peace of mind. ITV reports.